Hey guys, wanna know how to fix PUBG Mobile crashing issue in your Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, you need to know that PUBG Mobile crashes can be due to various issues, maybe no updates or maybe server-side issue as well. So first off, what you can do is simply restart your mobile phone. So for that, hold up your power button for a few seconds, or you can hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. This will help you restart your mobile. And once that is done, if there was any issue with your software or your mobile software, it should be reset and you should be able to open PUBG Mobile again. Next thing you can do is simply hit towards Play Store and search up for PUBG Mobile. Make sure your PUBG Mobile is up to date. So if it is not, there should be an update button popping up instead of play right here. And that's it. Next and last thing you can do is clear out your cache. So just simply hit towards PUBG Mobile, hold its icon and go towards app settings. Now on the bottom right here you can see clear data. Just simply say clear data and then select clear cache. Now select OK, and after that is done, your cache should be cleared and any issues should also be resolved. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.